MindMup is an organizational tool, and it works just like any other online mind mapping tool. And the great thing about this is it's super easy. And what you can do when you first get in is we'll create a new map, and I'm just going to show you the basics of the program to get you started, and then I'll offer another video that'll show you the requirements for the assignment. So we're actually going to go in and just use this option, Public Online Map. This requires minimal sign-in. And what you'll see is a canvas, a white canvas that looks like this, and it'll get you started with your first text box. You'll notice that the program tools are over here. And when you hover the mouse over one of the icons, it'll give you the title of that and hopefully help you with adding your elements to your mind map. So we're going to start with just this parent text box. It starts here, and you can click on it to edit that text box, and you can put the title of your assignment right here. Now, the great thing about this is all you have to do is when you have something selected, like I have this parent text box, you can go over here and add a child tab. So when you do that, you can click and you'll notice that it adds kind of a subtopic text, or it goes from your main idea to your subtopics or categories, and then works down as you're creating your mind map. So what you would do is maybe type in your subtopic. Let's say you were doing an assignment on planets and you had to report on 5 different planets or something like that. You would create child tabs with the names of the planets. Once you've created your tab, then you can go to your parent tab again, create another child tab, and type in your other planet. And you can continue to add child tabs to that based on how many topics or subtopics you needed. And that's how you add a child tab. Now, off of your child tab, you may want to add another child tab. Let's say I'm going to give facts about the planet. So I can click on that, and it will continue to extend off of whichever one tab you've initially clicked on. So you could type in information and facts about that. Okay, and you can do that with any of your tabs. And so on. Now, the cool thing about this is you can actually change the color of your different text boxes. Let's say I click here. This color text box, you can, or color feature, you can click on that and choose a different color, and that'll change your text box. So let's say you want to make the layers of your particular mind map a specific color to make it easier to look at. You can click on that box and choose a different option. And since it's the last thing that was chosen, it'll show that. And then you can also, as a shortcut, and I recommend looking at these hotkeys because these are awesome. As a shortcut, you can click on your Shift space bar and it'll ask you to type in the color that you want. And let's say I want, let's say I want green, and it'll immediately do that. This Shift and space bar. Okay, and that's how you can use the general tools for your MindMup. to build your mind map. Pretty easy.